What's good, y'all? I'm taking y'all behind the scenes. So last week, whenever y'all see this video, but there's a video Jalen and I posted, and we had just spoken with a representative from Greenwood Whiskey. It's a black-owned whiskey company based out of Atlanta, Georgia. Their distributor is in Atlanta, Georgia. And so we decided to talk things up and have a collaboration going on. So we're going to be infusing and making a tincture with our cannabis and our hemp with the whiskey. So Jalen recommended, because he's medicine, you know what I'm saying? He said, let's try 10 grams and 40 milliliters, you know what I'm saying? The precise measurements. There's some stuff in my hair. There's something in my hair. Anyway, but he said try 10 grams and 40 milliliters of the whiskey. So I've ground up 10 grams of one of our strains. Going to be putting it in here, and yeah, just testing the potency and tasting it to make sure it's actually to taste. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Catch up with y'all, and stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, so this is 10 grams of flour, and this is 40 milliliters of Greenwood whiskey. I'm not sure this is gonna work out. I think this is gonna absorb all of that. So I'm gonna raise the numbers up. We're gonna figure out the proportion that we need. All right, cool.